Getting the last of these pull tabs here. Get a few more of these pull tabs out, then I'll dump some more in there. Do these coins. I got quite a bit to go through today. Okay. See how many pull tabs there is. Some lead there. Okay. Do some of these coins here. Tab there. Some brass keys there. A bunch of quarters here. There's lots of jewelry here too, but I'm not going to even worry about the jewelry right now. I just want to get the coins separated here. A little bit of foil here too. Just get some of this junk foil out here. A little bit of cancel, really not much cancel. I've been throwing the cancel away in the parks, so in the garbage bins in the parks. So, oops, there is a washer in there. Stainless steel washer. There's another stainless steel washer. Stainless steel. Stainless steel. That is probably stainless steel. Yeah. Some foil. Pull tab. This aluminum, just junk. Some lead. Pull tab. Another pull tab that somebody's been chewing on. There's a pin with an iron back on it. Just garbage. So, some junk there. Grab a bottle cap. So just do these coins here. Try not to get too much junk in the coins with it. Some more jewelry there. Okay. Time to dump some more in there. I already sieved it. I already screened it off, so most of the dust is out. There we go. Most of the dust is already out of it because I screened it already. This is an interesting little spoon here, or fork. Spork? This is a spork. It's kind of cool, actually. I like it. Kind of weird. Doesn't have anything stamped on it either. I like that. That's kind of cool. Bottle caps. Let's get the bottle caps out. Some junk jewelry there. One bottle cap. And I've been trying to get all the bottle caps in the trash in the parks too. There's a junk coin right there. Queen Elizabeth coin. Some foreign coin there. Looked like it may have been from Canada or Australia. I don't know. I'm not sure. Probably Canadian. Canadian quarter. Some junk jewelry. Pull tab on, there's an earring. There's an earring, junk earring. A hairpin. Okay. Some more junk jewelry. All right, 2 pieces of junk jewelry right there. Just throw them away. Some more junk jewelry. A little pin there. I'll just save that one. A hairpin. Some junk jewelry there. Okay. Remember that cross? That's a monster, dude. Pencil razor. Here's these toys. All these toys, man. Found one in the last bin too. There. These figurines, whatever they are. Somebody told me what they are, but I forgot. Some jewelry there. I don't know. This just brass to me. Right? Just brass. Some Canslaw right there. Not much Canslaw in this one. I just been really not taking Canslaw home with me. And you get to a point in a part where you dig out most of the Canslaw. You know, you get the high conductors out, then you get the mid conductors, and then you get the low conductors. And some parks just have a lot of pull tabs, some parks have a lot of coins, and the coins get replenished a lot, and the pull tabs get replenished a lot. With the Canslaw, you know, usually most of the people who I know and myself, we dig up the Canslaw. I mean, if you find a little bit of Canslaw, there's a lot of Canslaw around it, and we just dig it all out, right? Just keep it clean. So most of the people I know dig out the Canslaw because jewelry, right? All right. Coins are really easy. Coins are easy to identify before you even dig them out. Some brass there. Some more copper or some brass. Some lead. Some brass there, a bullet. Some stainless steel. This is stainless steel, a security bolt there. That's some trash there. Some electronic stuff, I think. I believe so, yeah. Electronics, yeah. That's electronic stuff. Just recycle it. There we go. Just throw that part away there. I can recycle this. Get some keys here. I don't know. Get some bottle caps out of here. I see some bottle caps in there. Some brass key. Some bottle caps. Some bottle caps. Twist top. I'm surprised there's not a lot of twist tops here too. I dig up a lot of twist tops. I mean a lot. Here's a laser. I'll recycle that. There's another brass key. Some jewelry. I remember finding these. I found 2 of them. There's a brass key there. Some iron. It's a key ring. Yeah, it's a key ring. Some more junk. I don't know what the heck this is. It's not stainless steel. Some brass there. Some junk jewelry. Yeah. It has iron in it, so it's just junk to me. Some more electronic stuff. Put that in the jewelry drawer. There's another figurine there. Another little miniature key there. There's an old man pipe. Crazy. Right. Garbage. Can't keep stuff like that. Right? It looks cool. It was cool when I dug it out of the ground. And it was cool when I just saw it just now, but I can't keep crap like that. So I have buckets and buckets of this stuff, just like this, just piles of this stuff. And when you hunt as much as me, this stuff piles up, man. And I don't have time to sort through all my stuff when I get home, and it's all muddy and stuff when I get home anyway. I have to let it dry out, so. Marion County dog tag. Get some coins out here. Some more jewelry. It's just junk jewelry. All right, just scrap it, just junk. See, that's the prime example of why I don't sort my stuff at the end of the hunt, because I have no idea what I got because it's so muddy, man. And I can't see. A lot of times it's dark when I get done with my hunt, and I'm just too tired when I get home. I'm just exhausted from metal detecting. You know what I'm saying? So it's just easier this way for me to sort this stuff out in large quantities. If I have a few hours, like when it's icy out, or if it's flooding out, or if it's too hot out, I can sit under here and sit under this my garage here and sort stuff out. You know, if I can't metal detect. That only happens a few times a year. I've done it two times this year. Once in the wintertime when we had a bunch of snow, and today because it's flooding. All the parks are flooded. And I washed a bunch of coins earlier. I made a video of washing the coins. Actually, I made a few videos, but I always make plenty of videos because a lot of times some of them don't turn out because of lighting or whatnot. There's coins here. There we go. Boy. Stuff is still really dusty. There's another key there. Medico key. Very good brand of lock. Ford key. Another key right here. That's a really bizarre key, man. That is a weird one. It's a shaved key. Looks like it's been smashed flat or something. A dog tag right there. Rabies vaccination. Some lead. Look at this. Bam. Some lead. Stainless steel. A battery, a lithium battery. I will recycle that. Another key. Bam. Let's get some coins out here. Just so many coins, man. Another dog tag. Something to do today. I raked the leaves in the backyard yesterday. It took me about 4 hours. When I got off of work, I just started raking leaves. So, gotta always be doing something. You know what I'm saying? The more you sit, the more lazy you want to be. But I'm sitting right now. I'm not really doing anything. But I'm getting something done while I'm sitting. Something I need to get done here. There's a bullet. 9mm. Some people say, oh, you need to be really careful with those bullets. If bullets were that freaking dangerous, we wouldn't have bullets.